What a dub been good morning, my strange people. The other day I got back from, like yesterday I got back from whatever errands I had to do, and hashtag motel life, and I got back to the strangest thing. The cats are now trying to appease local spirits to, I'm assuming, to get us into a nice, either a room in a shared house or a small apartment in Detroit, because that is closer to my budget right now until I can get some things subsidized. And I was, because I'm going out tomorrow to look at a couple of places with a friend of mine. He's just gonna, be there for the ride and all that. So I've got a plan to do my own thing tonight, but the cats have done their own thing as well. Take a look. They are leaving offerings for whatever local spirits, because, hold on. So here we see where I've set up their kibble and their water. So this is their dry food. And then we come through here, and yes, I know they need a vacuum in here. So we come through all the way into the bathroom, and we've got like a bunch of individual pieces of kibble, unchewed, completely dry. This is how it looked when I got back. And somebody, at least one of these cats, is trying to appease whatever local spirits and deities. Is it Mwrn? Is it Mwrn? Yeah, I know, it's a mess. I'm rearranging some things to take some stuff to storage and all that, but was it Mwrn? Now, Mwrn's usually the one who does the weirdest things, or at least the most random seeming things, but honestly, Nigel is, top shelf, much weirder, and that is in no small part because he likes to watch very intently. Was it you? Or was it Nigel? You can tell me. You can tell me. It's not tattling. But it's nice that whichever one or all three of you are trying to help in this way. It's very adorable. You're very cute.